The ambitions within offshore wind are huge. The political will behind a build-out in Europe is huge. Offshore wind is also being thought into connections between countries, which is going to change the energy picture. So offshore wind will play a huge role.
Here we're looking at what kind of monthly production we can expect. Here we're looking at how we can expect it to change during the day. With this state-of-the-art tool, we can basically forecast how much production we will have for every single hour of the next 10, 15, 20 years.
The energy production from an offshore turbine is significant compared to other technologies. For example, one of the 15 megawatt turbines that potentially we're putting up in Frederikshavn, which just got the establishment permit, one of those turbines will produce enough energy for 20,000 households.
When we start planning for our offshore wind farms, we are actually looking into very large areas. We decide for a project-specific site to locate our offshore wind farm. We try to minimize impacts as much as possible, and impacts that could be related to fishing grounds or navigational safety or migrating birds or things like this.
European energy has a unique combination of global presence, and we have a presence in countries that other offshore companies might not have, because we already have this onshore presence. So I think the combination of having an onshore organization that's already working, that's developing, that's building, and then combining it with the offshore, which to a large extent in many of these countries, it's the same people locally dealing with it in the authorities. And in combination with European Energy's approach, being very agile, being open to, for example, new markets, will make European Energy a success of offshore wind.